Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to use screen recording with audio on the Infinix Note 60 Pro. To start, open the Quick Settings menu and tap the camera icon for screen recording. If you don't see it, tap the Edit button in the top right corner and add it from the list below. Tap the icon, then choose your settings, record device audio, microphone sound, and show tap effects. Select your audio source, then tap Start Recording. The recording will begin, and you'll see a timer next to the camera. To test audio, play a video like one from YouTube, and both device audio and microphone will be captured. When finished, tap the timer and hit the red button to stop. The recording will include both the screen and device audio. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.